Welcome to the final module of our OOP journey. We've learned the 4 pillars: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. Now, it's time to solidify that knowledge by applying these concepts to a real-world use case, building a simple library management system. 1. Project overview. Our system will manage books. We need 2 main classes. First, the booked class, which holds individual book data, and second, the library class, which manages the collection of books and handles operations like adding, listing, and searching. 2. Applying the 4 OOP pillars. How will we use the 4 pillars? We will use encapsulation in the book class by making attributes like title and author protected or private, and providing getter and setter methods to manage access and control data validity. We will use inheritance by creating specialized subclasses of book, like ebook or audiobook, which inherit common properties from book but add their own specific attributes. We will use polymorphism by designing a method, maybe get_details, that behaves differently based on whether it is called on a regular book, an ebook, or an audiobook object. We will use abstraction to define a common interface for all types of books, ensuring they all implement necessary methods, regardless of their specific type. To summarize, this use case will be a powerful final exercise, showing you how to structure complex, object-oriented applications. We'll start immediately by designing the core data class. Join me as we create the book class. Our next lecture, 21.02, Create Book Class. See you there.